Hello students, today we will start with long division. In last exercise you have done the division like this, okay? When we divide 18 by 2 we get 9. Now we will divide 18 by 2 by using long division method. When we use long division method we write 18 here. First we draw this, okay? Then we write 18. The number which we are going to divide is called dividend. जिसे हम divide करने वाले हैं उसे हम बोलते हैं dividend. And the number by which we are going to divide, okay? जिससे हम divide करने वाले हैं, this is called divisor. When we divide 18 by 2 we get the answer 9, which is quotient, okay? This is called quotient. Dividend, divisor and quotient. Now exercise 7, find the quotient by long division. We have to find the quotient, this one, by using long division method. 17 divided by 3. Now we have to check in 3 tables how many times 27 comes. 9 times, because 3 9s are 27. We write 27 here and 9 in this box, okay? Now 27 minus 7. Now we have to subtract this number from this. 27 minus 27 is equals to 0. अगर हम same number को same से subtract करेंगे तो आपको 0 मिलेगा, okay? The quotient is 9, okay? 27 is the dividend, 3 is divisor and 9 is quotient, okay? This method is called long division. Now B part, 36 divided by 6. How many times 36 comes in 6 table? 6 times. 6 6 are 36. So we will write 36 here. 36 minus 36 is equals to 0. 42 divided by 4. 4 8s is 32. So we will write 8 here because 4 8s is 32. So we'll write 32. 32 minus 32 is equals to 0. Okay. Now you can do other remaining parts. Exercise 8, divide by the long division method. 12 divided by 2. Now 12 comes in 2's table how many times? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. So we will write 6 here, okay? And 12 here, and we subtract this 12 from this 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, okay? आपको इसी तरीके से लिखना है, आपको इसी तरीके से डिवाइड करना है. 12 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है? 2 6 12. 12 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल्स टू 0, ठीक है? जो भी इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करके 6 2 12 वो आपको यहाँ लिखना है एंड 12 में से 12 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. जो भी नंबर यहाँ आएगा उसे आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 12 माइनस 12 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, वी नो दैट 2 9s is 18. So we will write 9 here, okay? This will be the quotient, and 2 9s is 18. So we will write 18 here. 18 को 18 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको. 18 माइनस 18 इज इक्वल्स टू 0, ठीक है? इसी तरीके से ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. Okay, you have to do all questions of this exercise, okay? I'm doing one another. 40 divided by 8. Now 40 comes in 8 table. How many times? 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So we will write 5 in place of quotient and 40 here. 40 minus 40 is equals to 0. So quotient is 5, okay? Exercise 9, use multiplication table to do these division. Write the quotient and the remainder. Some have remainders, some do not, okay? What is remainder? I will explain. First question, 9 divided by 2. Now we have to divide 9 by 2. But 9 doesn't come in 2's table. 9 2 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. Then what we will do? Then we will check which number comes in 2's table which is smaller than 9, just smaller than 9. अब एक ऐसा नंबर आपको चेक करना है जो 2 के टेबल में आता है, बस 9 से छोटा होना चाहिए. नाउ काउंट द टेबल. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. But 10 is greater than 9, so we will take 8. So 2 4s is 8. So this answer is 4. But 9 is greater than 8 by 1. 9 8 से बड़ा है, कितना? 1 ज़्यादा है. तो जो एक्स्ट्रा है, द रिमेनिंग इज कॉल्ड द रिमाइंडर. जो एक एक्स्ट्रा है उसे हम रिमाइंडर बोलते हैं. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द रिमाइंडर. B part, 23 divided by 5. Again 23 doesn't come in 5's table. Which number comes in 5's table which is smaller than 23? 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 25 is greater than 23, so we have to take the smaller one. So 5 4s is 20. So 5 4s, so we will write 4 as quotient, and 20, the difference between 20 and 23 is 3. अब 5 4s तो 20 है, लेकिन 23 इससे कितना ज़्यादा है? 3. Okay, so remainder will be 3. Okay. C, 11 divided by 5. 5 table, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 15 is greater than 11. Which one is smaller? 10. 5 2s is 10. So 2 is the quotient and 11 is greater than 10 by 1. 11 कितना बड़ा है 10 से? 1. So this will be the remainder. Okay. Now we will do this types of question by division method, long division method. Okay. This is the question. 19 divided by 2. Now 19 doesn't come in 2's table. Which number comes? 18. ओके, इससे बस स्मॉलर देखना है. ओके, बिकॉज 2 10s इज 20, वो इससे ग्रेटर हो जाएगा. सो 2 9s इज 18. नाउ वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 18 फ्रॉम 19. 19 माइनस 18 इज इक्वल्स टू 1. सो दिस विल बी द रिमाइंडर एंड दिस इज क्वोशिएंट. सो वी विल राइट क्वोशिएंट हियर एंड रिमाइंडर 1. ओके. 36 divided by 5. Now 36 doesn't come in 5's table. Which number is smaller than 36 which comes in 5's table? 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. So 35 is the number which comes in 5's table 7 times. So 5 7s are 35. Now 36 minus 35 is equals to 1. So 7 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. This is remainder, this is quotient. Okay. 29 divided by 4. So 4's table, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So 32 is greater, so we will divide with 7. 4 7s is 28. Now subtract 28 from 29, 1. So 1 is the remainder and 7 is the quotient. Okay. 34 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. So which one is smaller? 30. So 6 5s is equals to 30. Now subtract 30 from 34. 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. 3 minus 0 is equals to 0. So remainder is 4 and quotient is 5. Okay. Now you can do the other remaining questions. Okay. Thank you.